All right, so here we have a 2004 Acura TSX. This customer is complaining about a pulsation on the brakes as they're coming to a stop. So we're going to be replacing the rotor and the pads today on the front. We'll start by removing the caliper and the bracket. All right, so this car has a lot of rust, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that our flange is pretty clean so the rotor sits nice and flush. All right, so here we got our rotor from Auto Parts Direct to You. Now our rotor is going to come with an anti-corrosive kind of a soap or something on there, so we're going to go ahead and clean it off with some brake clean. Alright. Alright, go ahead and put our rotor on. Now we're going to go ahead and put our caliper mounting bracket back on. Okay, so we'll remove our old pads. These pads are still pretty good. I mean, they're pretty close to being brand new there, but the actual problem was the rotor, not the pad, while we're doing a service. All right, so our new brake pads that we got from Auto Parts Direct U came with new hardware, so we'll go ahead and replace our hardware. All right, so with our new hardware kit, it came with two different sizes. One is just a little bit narrower than the other. So just matching up to make sure you have the same hardware. Obviously we couldn't put this on, it would not fit. So we need to push the piston back just a little bit there. All right, so now we'll go to the other side and repeat that process. All right, so here we are on the passenger side, and you can see these spots right here. This is where the rotor is warped. This would cause the brake pulsation that why we're doing the rotors on the vehicle. Not necessarily because the pads look like they have plenty of more stopping material left, but this pulsation here, these are the signs of pulsation is causing the pedal issue that she's having. So we're going to go ahead and replace the passenger side now. Here's another reason. Okay, so one pad is thicker than the other pad. They should wear at the same amount or same rate of wear. What causes this would be the slide. So the caliper is not being able to slide to even out the force. So it's dragging this outer pad. So we're definitely showing more wear. So that's why it's very important to do the hardware and always check your slides to make sure that the caliper is free. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put the tires back on. We want to pump the brake before we put it in gear so we can displace the fluid back, and then we'll take it for a test drive and make sure everything is all good.